here to discuss one of the important scholarship which is offered by Infocepts Foundation. Okay, so this scholarship is being available in the website buddyforstudy.com. Okay, buddyforstudy.com website, or also you can download the Buddy for Study mobile app from your Play Store, and you can install that app, and even in that app also you can apply some of the scholarships which are available for your eligible criteria. Okay, so Infocepts Foundation, what is Infocepts Foundation? Okay, Infocepts Innovate for Impact Scholarship 2023-2024. So this is being offered by the Infocepts Foundation. They are offering scholarship award up to 50,000, and the criteria. Okay, also we can see here about the program Infocepts Innovative for Impact Scholarship 2023 is a CSR. It is a corporate social responsibility. Okay, corporate social responsibility is the responsibility of every entrepreneur or organization who are being getting the profits from the uh, society, and in turn they need to spend some of the amount of their profits towards society through some of the activity, through some activities. So this is one of the activity that they are going to spend some of their profits towards the scholarship of educational needs of meritorious students. Okay, so in this way they are going to offer this scholarship. Okay, so here they are offering this scholarship for those students who are pursuing engineering courses in computer science and related fields. Okay, so what are all the fields and other things we will see related fields. Okay, and the amount of the scholarship is up to 50,000 maximum for a duration of 3 years. Okay, Buddy for Study is the implementation partner for this scholarship program. So what the in turn what this Buddy for Study is going to get is they are going to share some of the amount towards this scholarship implementation program for the Buddy for Study. And that's why they are offering this platform to this Infocepts Foundation. Okay, Infocepts Innovate for Impact Scholarship 2023-24. What is the deadline for this scholarship program? Is 22 October 2023. And what is the eligibility criteria? Open for students pursuing engineering courses in fields such as computer engineering. So this is basically a scholarship about offer for the students pursuing engineering courses. But in this also the restriction is there. What is the restriction? It means those students who are pursuing the engineering in computer engineering, information technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science and analytics. So these are the emerging technologies in computer engineering field, and towards these courses they are offering the scholarship for the students. Okay, applicants must have secured at least 60% marks in their class 10 and 12 examination. So they should get at least first class in their marks, and then annual family income of applicants should not exceed 6 lakhs from all sources. And there is one more criteria: students studying or domiciled in the following cities are eligible to apply. Only these students are eligible to apply. Even they we will see whether other students are allowed to apply or not. While this apply now button is clicked, we will be redirected to this page of application form, and we will see there whether the other students are eligible to apply or not. But here straight away they are defining the students who are eligible. Okay, Nagpur, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore. So these students are only eligible for the Infocepts Foundation scholarship. Okay, and one more thing is there: children of Infocepts Foundation and Body for Study employees are not eligible to apply. So there is one more limitation: these parents who are working in Infocepts Foundation and Body for Study, their children are not allowed to apply for this scholarship. What is the benefit that they are giving? 50,000 per year for a duration of 3 years. And what are the documents that we require to apply for this scholarship? Passport size photograph of the applicant, mark sheet of class 10 and 12, college admission proof. For admission proof, we can submit admission letter, institution ID card, etc. For proof of identity, we can provide Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, etc. Whatever government identity card you have, you can provide that as identity proof. Proof of address, Aadhaar card, driving license, electricity bill, etc. So these are the proofs for address. Okay, Payments, receipts of educational related expenses such as tuition fee, hostel fees, books, mess fees, etc. These are all you can supply towards the payment receipts of educational background. Okay. So if you don't have these things, what you can do, you can go to the college and you can ask for this tuition fee receipt. Also, wherever you are staying in the hostel, whether private or college attached hostel or some other thing, you can get the receipt from the hostel management, books, mess, and fees, etc. So these things can be available if you are studying in a residential college. So they will provide all these things in a fee structure report. Okay, that you can upload for the document proof of family income such as ITR, income tax returns, salary slips, income certificate by a concerned government authority, etc. So those students, although the Telangana Andhra students are not eligible to apply for the scholarships in the Telangana and Andhra, I can say that the government is providing income certificate as a proof for this. Okay, but other for other states also they might be providing these certificates, income certificates. Okay, from their respective magistrate, additional district magistrate or mandal revenue officers like that. Okay, now how can you apply? Click on apply now button. Here you can apply. Click on this button, apply now button. Then you will be redirected to the body for study. Okay, page where you can see the application page button. If you click that application button, online application form page button, then you will be then you will be entering into this application form page. There you can have to fill some details, and by entering the appropriate details, you can submit your application form. If at all if you are not registered, then what you have to do, you have to register first in the body for study website through your email, mobile, Gmail account. Then you can be directed to this online application form page, and then you can fill your all details, necessary details whichever are asked, and you can upload the documents. Then you can submit your application page. Okay, so here the third point, that after these two points, what is he saying, you see here, you will now be redirected to the Infocepts Innovate for Impact Scholarship 2023-24 application form page. That's what I have said. This online application form page is nothing but Infosys Innovate for Impact Scholarships 2023-24 page. Then you can start application button. Okay, click on this start application button. You have to give some details, required details, fill in the required details in the online application form page. Then you can upload the required documents regarding this, whatever you have filled. Supporting documents need to be uploaded. After that, you have to accept the terms and conditions and click on preview, so that you can, once you click on this preview button, you can see whatever you have entered, and you can cross check whether these details are entered without any errors, or you should have you might have entered some erroneous details. Then you can re-edit them, and you can fill the appropriate details, and then you can submit the application form page. Now we'll see how to apply for this scholarship. Okay, there are some frequently asked questions also, you can go through these. Okay, for your reference, you can go through these. Once you enter into this website, you can see what are all the frequently asked questions. You might get some doubts. Okay, then you can go through these questions, and you can apply for the scholarship. Okay, we will see what is the actually these FAQs are there. What is the selection process for Infocepts Innovate for Impact Scholarship 23-24? Okay, so what is the criteria? How they are going to shortlist? Shortlisting of candidates based on eligibility criteria after application submission, document verification, telephonic interview of shortlisted candidates, post document verification, in-person interviews will be conducted by Infocepts Foundation for students qualifying the telephonic interview round, announcement of final list of scholarships. So these are the steps in filtering the students who applied for this scholarship. Will this scholarship be provided for subsequent years of study? Okay, we'll see how whether it is going to provide or not. Okay, they are will this scholarship, yes, the scholarship will be provided on an annual basis for a duration of 3 years. So what is the thing that you have to do? For renewal of scholarship for the respective scholars can be considered for success based on following criteria: no dropouts, no disciplinary issues, good academic performance. Thus the scholars are required to upload the following documents in the online scholar tracking system. Okay, they have to upload for the subsequent years proof of continuity of education, subsequent year academic grade report, attendance record of previous semester, proof of tuition fees paid by the student to the college for the current academic year. Yes, so they are offered for the subsequent years also. If at all, if you are selected for the first year, you can be provided the scholarship for subsequent years like second year, third year also. You can renewal your scholarship. Then, if selected under the scholarship program, how will I receive the scholarship fund? How they are going to provide this scholarship? Upon selection, scholarship amount will be directly transferred into bank accounts of scholars. So for this case, you should have your bank account, and you should the uh, received scholarship amount will be credited directly into your account. This is what this question means. How the scholars can utilize this scholarship fund? Scholarship fund can be utilized only for academic purposes, which includes tuition fee, hostel fees, food, internet, device, books, stationery, online learning, etc. So this is purely for academic purposes. Okay, you can use this scholarship for academic purpose only. Now we'll see how to apply this scholarship. First of all, you should register whatever I have said. So this is the page for registration. If you are not registered, you should click this register. However, I have already registered, so I am going to show you how to log in. Okay, you should log in with your mobile number. If you are registered with mobile number, you should enter your mobile number. Then you should enter whatever password you have submitted while registering. Okay, so I am now being successfully logged into this web page. So now I will be redirected to Infocepts Educational Foundation Scholarship page. So this is the page that it is being asked me to enter into. Okay, so I am now being provided with some instructions. So these are the instructions that we have already discussed. So these instructions are for the student who are going to apply for the scholarship. You can see here 10th class, 12th class marks should be 60%. Annual income, some criteria is there, 6 lakhs. And students studying in these cities are only eligible for a scholarship. Some of the students may be studying in these cities, whether they are either from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, or some other state. Most of them may be studying in these scholarship. For those students who are from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, I have created this YouTube video for those students and for others also. That's why I'm explaining in English. Okay, so we'll see how to apply for this scholarship now. First, you need to check this drop down box. You can see here professional undergraduate. Professional undergraduate means only BE B.Tech students are called professional undergraduates. So those who are studying in technical courses, they are called professional graduates, undergraduate students. So we'll see this application page. By starting this application form page, you are being asked to check for some questions. So you should enter these questions whether you are studying in computer related field or not. Yes, I am studying in computer related field. Then you can apply. Yes, you can apply here. Is your annual income 6 lakhs? Yes, 6 lakhs or below. Yes, if it is yes, then you are eligible. Whether you have scored 60% or 60% marks in 10th and 12th class. If it is yes, you are eligible. Also, you should be meeting one of the criteria from this question. Okay, whether you are domiciled or studying, means you are staying in and studying in these cities: Nagpur, Pune, Chennai, and Bangalore. If it is yes, then you are a purely eligible. Okay, surely eligible. You are eligible to apply. Now you will be redirected to this application form page. You will be asked to enter your personal details. I have already filled my personal details: first name, last name, email, mobile, alternate mobile, WhatsApp number, whatever fields are being asked. You should enter these all details. And one more thing, you should verify your Aadhaar card so that your identity will be verified at the first stage. So here, if you enter your Aadhaar card, if you will see here verify button. However, I have already verified my Aadhaar card, so I am being shown a verified in my application form page. If at all, if you are new to this website and you have not verified, then you can see here verify button. You should click this verify button. Then you will be asked to enter the OTP for Aadhaar card. Okay, then if you enter that OTP and if it is appropriate or correct, then your status will be changed. Your verify button will be changed to verified. Okay, also you can see here annual family income. Are you differently abled or not? parental status. What is your parental status? Orphan, single parent, not applicable. So if at all if it is not applicable for you, means you are not an orphan or you are not a single parent, then you can simply select not applicable, and then you can enter that not applicable. And also you should enter whether you are having any siblings. Whether if at all if you are having siblings, then you should enter those many numbers. Okay, then you can see here permanent address type is permanent or not. Okay, permanent address, it will be populated from your Aadhaar card data. Okay, so you should not worry. And if at all if it is some fields are not correct, then you can correct them also. It is allowing you to correct the details also. And you can see here educational details. So your educational details should be present class should be graduation. That means you should have completed the 10th 12th. Okay, 12th class you should have complete, then only you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so while filling the details at every stage, you should click save and continue, then only you will be allowed to enter. Okay, to the next page, or you will be allowed to proceed to the next stage. See here, please select classes you have already completed from the list below, whether you have completed your diploma or class 12. Okay, you can you are eligible if you, even if you complete through intermediate, or even you completed diploma in your previous education. Okay, if you have completed your intermediate and you have completed your diploma also, both these students are eligible to apply for this scholarship. But there is some criteria, because the student should study in Nagpur, Chennai, and some other cities are there. Only those students are allowed to apply for this scholarship. So you should click appropriate one, whatever is appropriate to you, that you have to click. Okay, so class 12, if you click, then you can see here 10th class, 12th class, and graduation. These details you should enter. Okay, so you should enter these details. You can see the streams, BE, B.Tech. I have selected BE, B.Tech, but however, these streams are being populated. So you should be from one of these computer science background. Okay, if at all if you are from computer science, artificial intelligence, IT, machine learning, data science, and analytics, then you are eligible for this scholarship. I have selected artificial intelligence. However, I am not studying for this demonstration purpose only. I have selected artificial intelligence, or else whatever is your stream, you can select that and you can proceed further. And I have selected first year as my course duration. Course duration is 4 years. You have to enter your course duration. If you are applying for this scholarship after completing your diploma, then you can select 3 years. If you have completed your intermediate and you are applying for this scholarship, then you can select 4 years as your course duration. And your current academic year you have to select appropriately, whether you are first year student, second year student, third year student, or fourth year student. Okay, this scholarship is however allowed to apply only once. So you can select whatever class you are studying, and then you can select your current academic semester. I am selecting first year, first semester. Then you should enter your state. Okay, state in which you are studying. Okay, now I will select Telangana, and I will select Hyderabad. Name of the institution. Okay, you can see the institution that you are studying in. It should not allow actually. We'll see whether it allows or not. I'm entering some amounts. You can enter your college appropriate college amount. Passing year. So if you have started your first year in 2023, then you can select to 2027, 23, 24, 25, 26 as your course passing year. So you have to select 26, then you click save. Okay, actually this scholarship applicable only for some of the cities that they have mentioned. Actually, we'll see how whether it allows us to apply even if you are from some other different state also. At the last stage it might give some populated fields. You should select here school name, passing year. You should select your passing year. So I passed my intermediate in 2023. That means I should have passed in 2021. And you enter your marks, percentage will be calculated automatically. Then you should click save. Okay. And I don't know whether these things are correct. Okay. Select your intermediate board, stream in which you have studied. See here, we can see here commerce, PCB. However, these things won't allow us to apply for BE, B.Tech computer science. So you should be from mathematics background only purely. Then only you are eligible to study computer science. These filtration they should have applied in this application logic, but they did not. We'll see. See here, we can select the district and then school name. What is this college name or school name that you have studied in your intermediate? From which college you studied your intermediate? You should enter here. And then the passing year 2023. Yes. Whatever marks you have got in your intermediate, you should enter those marks. And percentage will be calculated automatically. Okay. And after that, family members, you should enter your family members details. Yes, these details I have entered already, so I am just filling the required things which are our which are whichever are applicable. Those things are only I am filling and I am submitting. Okay, and I am clicking the save and continue. So it shows us the things are completed. So we should click save and continue. Then we have to upload the documents which are being asked for. Latest college fee receipt, current academic year admission proof, passport size photograph, bank passbook, income proofs, Aadhaar card, student ID proof, 12th mark sheet, fee structure. This fee structure, see here, it includes admission fee, tuition fee, hostel fee, mess fee. Many of these scholarships, for many of these scholarships, whichever I have uploaded in my YouTube channel, you can see this fee structure. This fee structure includes admission fee, tuition fee, hostel fee, and mess fee. So if you are studying in some college which is residential, then there you can get this fee structure receipt so that you can use this for loan purposes also, for scholarships also. Okay, so just ask for this fee structure report which includes admission fee, tuition fee, hostel fee, mess fee from your college management. They will give you, then you can upload that here. Okay, and then address proof or domicile, residential certificate, telephone bill, ration card, whatever address proof you have, like this address proof, domicile certificate or residential certificate, telephone bill, ration card, that you can upload here. And then 10th class mark sheet, should upload your 10th class mark sheet and previous class mark sheet. That means if you are studying your B.Tech in second year, then you can upload your first year mark sheet here. And if you completed your intermediate and you are study just join your BE B.Tech first year, then you can upload your intermediate mark sheet here. Then you can click save and continue. See here, it is asking for some of the fields which are required, so we should upload something here, otherwise we won't proceed further. For me, I have to upload something, then only it allows me to apply. Otherwise it won't allow me to proceed further. So I need to upload something which is in PDF or JPEG, then only it allows me to proceed further. So I am applying, I have uploaded something and it allowed me to upload. However, I am not going to submit my application form, so I am uploading something which is just required for proceeding further. So I am just uploading something, but you should upload appropriate document, then only it will allow you to proceed further and accepts your application. Then I have to enter my bank details here. I am entering my bank details. You should enter your bank details. Okay, and you should enter your IFSC code, which you can see here in your bank passbook. So it auto populates what is your bank name and branch name. So once you cross check them, you can save and click save and continue, then you can proceed further. After that, you have to enter your details about yourself, Can you briefly describe about yourself and your family? If at all, if you know what you have, why you are eligible, why you are, you should be selected in this particular scholarship. This you have to describe here, okay? And you should describe about yourself and your family details also, so that by going through these details, you will be selected for the particular scholarship. Describe a challenge situation you faced in your life and how you approach solving it. What type of support was required by you to handle this situation, and from whom? So if at all, this is just for testing your computational skills, because this is related to computer science, right? You might get some future problems in your professional, and once you join in your organization or some other organization, whatever you join, there you may get some real time problems. So then what is your approach to solve those problems, and how you are going to solve those problems? To know all these details, they have asked this question. So you should describe what is your previous problem that you have faced in your life, and how you resolved it, with the help of whom you have resolved all these things. You have to explain here neatly, so that you will be selected for this scholarship. And question number 3: have you received any government or private scholarship during the last academic year? If yes, please share the name and amount of scholarship received. If no, mention no. Okay, whether you are being offered some scholarship or not, they want to know. If at all, if you are offered the private or government scholarship, and how much amount you are being offered, based on those details, they might want to provide some amount, if at all, if you are suitable for this scholarship, or they may want to skip your scholarship application, because you have already received some surplus scholarship amount from other organizations, that they want to know here. So you enter whether you have received or not. Okay, if at all, if you have not received any scholarship, then you should just enter no. Okay, then you should click save and continue. Then you will be moved on to this direct declarations page. Okay, you can see all these steps are completed. Then you have to click these check boxes, and you have to submit your application by previewing. Okay, first you have to preview the application, then you have to thoroughly verify whether you have entered all these details perfectly or not. And after cross checking these details, you can submit. If at all, if you found any errors, then you can just edit them by clicking this edit application form. One thing you have to note here, okay, here whenever you enter these details, you should enter them properly. And after submitting the application page, you cannot edit them, or you cannot request them also. Okay, so without any errors, you should enter these details properly. Otherwise uh, you cannot edit them late at the later stage. That is what I want to tell you. And this completes our application form page. Once you click this submit button, your application will be submitted to this Infocepts Education Foundation. Okay, Infocepts Innovate for Impact Scholarship 2023 Foundation. Okay, Infocepts Foundation will receive your application, and they will shortlist you. If at all, if you are eligible, then they will telephonic interview you. After that, they will do your personal interview, and after that, finally, they will credit the amount into your account, if at all, if you are selected for this scholarship. So this is how we can apply this Infocepts Foundation scholarship. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you all like this my video. Um, Once please like this video and share this video. If at all, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Do share this information with your friends, whoever or whomever you think that they are eligible for this scholarship. Please inform them, so that they will apply for this scholarship, and they will get benefited out of this particular scholarship. Thank you once again for watching my video.